We almost know everything about the upcoming iPhone SE 4, but there's still one mystery remains. Can you guess what it is? Yes, it's the iPhone SE 4 color palette. But don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's break down the possibilities based on past trends and the latest rumors. But first, please subscribe our channel and like the video. Looking back, Apple has kept things simple with the SE lineup. The first generation SE in 2016 offered 4 colors: silver, space gray, gold, and rose gold. By the second generation in 2020, Apple streamlined the choices to black, white, and product red, a tradition that continued with the third generation SE in 2022. These consistent minimalist options reflect Apple's focus on making the SE series accessible and straightforward. Now, with the iPhone SE 4 rumored to adopt the iPhone 14 design, we could see a shakeup in the color lineup. The iPhone 14 offers midnight black, starlight white, blue, purple, and product red. If Apple decides to carry over these options, the SE 4 could feature fresh and vibrant color options. Opting for the iPhone 14 existing palette could also help Apple save millions in production costs. However, nothing is confirmed yet. What we do know is that 3 colors are almost guaranteed to appear in the upcoming iPhone SE 4, based on Apple's past trends. Black, white, and product red have been the mainstays of the SE lineup, and they're likely to return for a more traditional approach. According to Swapa's data, midnight or simply black was the most popular choice for the iPhone SE 3 2022, with 72% of buyers opting for it. Product red accounted for 18% of sales, while starlight or simply white made up 10%. These numbers highlight the consistent popularity of these 3 colors, making it highly likely that Apple will retain them while potentially introducing new shades inspired by the iPhone 14. By the way, what colors are you hoping to see? Let me know in the comments. You can also join our Telegram channel for exclusive leaks. The link is available in the description. Furthermore, disappointing news has surfaced from the well-known leaker Digital Chat Station regarding the battery capacity of the iPhone 17 Air and Samsung S25 Slim. According to the tipster, the ultra-slim design with a thickness of just 5 to 6 millimeters comes at the cost of battery size. The estimated capacity for these models is expected to range between 3,000 and 4,000 mAh only. This might be bad news for users prioritizing battery longevity. This raises questions about heat dissipation and battery life, especially with the inclusion of flagship processors, which tend to generate significant heat under heavy use. Meanwhile, domestic manufacturers have been prioritizing larger batteries in their devices for some time, with Guoqing's operations setting new trends. As the technology is growing, several companies are now considering integrating larger batteries of 5,000 mAh or more into ultra-thin and lightweight devices. While nothing is confirmed yet, these clues give us a pretty good idea of what to expect. What are your thoughts about the color options of the iPhone SE 4? Will Apple go for bold or keep it classic? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates. With that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video.